Okay, I just watched Netflix. The most boring 2 hours of my life, or hour and a half. In fact, I almost fell asleep. I don't know how many times. Just shows beautiful scenery of people walking, sinister music, not one single mention of the pseudomonas and the filth. It's just all these cops saying, oh, but if it isn't Lucy, who is it? Or, I don't know, who was that cop that had, I mean, the woman had like woolly caterpillar for eyelashes. It was bizarre. And then Dewey's just wide eyed saying, well, it matches exactly what was going on the Leanne Tanswell paper. And then they go to Shu Lee and he says, no. I mean, Shu Lee comes out looking good, you know, showing him on the farm. I mean, they spent more time him walking on the farm and chopping wood than they did talking to him. Again, there was no mention of the filth. Lucy looked. I mean, if I could say what was the report? Beige. That whole thing was beige. It's like they spent all this time on it, and it's like bizarre. I mean, they kept stressing the post-it notes, but they did explain it in the end. They did this really. It was weird and creepy. I mean, it was just creepy. I guess to hide the Lucy's friend. It was, I guess, a friend from university and Baby D's mom. They put AI over them. It's just bizarre. It's just like, if I had to sum it up, it was beige and lacked not one mention of the poo and the pseudomonas. That is the main thing that happened in the hospital. So people, it isn't worth watching. I mean, Mark McDonald explains everything. Shu Lee came out as just a nice average guy. Like, you're looking at this going, well, why would this guy come to Britain to do that? And they don't even, they kind of gloss over the effect that how world renowned these doctors were. Again, beige. I the most boring and beige thing I ever saw. It just, again, not worth seeing it, guys. Netflix. God, is this best you can do? I mean, it's just the eerie, sinister music. The only thing that was just gut wrenching is that you hear Lucy's mom crying, and you see her hugging her cat, and Lucy is just, you know what? It shows a calm, dignified woman trying to answer the questions that were put forth to her. No way being in any way evasive at all. They were asking her to basically explain why these babies died. And yet, again, I just wasted an hour and a half of my time, guys. Like, we were waiting for this. Oh, Netflix, I'm canceling you. I mean, I've been nothing but bored. I haven't found a decent thing to watch on your platform in so long. So, just confirms. Oh, even the Empress is now, yeah, she's demanding I feed her. It's about 4 in the morning. Okay. I guess you having to sit and listen to this too. Again, boring.